Hello, my name's Angela Daymond and today I'm going to be showing you all about Kantha work embroidery. Kantha work has been used in India since about 500 years ago, and in India it really was started to be a thrift craft, because what they would do in India is they would use the saris. So saris would be used for clothing, and then once they'd been used they would layer three up and they'd be used for bedding. There is a running stitch, and it's actually a wrapped running stitch, because after the running stitch I've woven another thread up and down the stitch to give me a secondary pattern here. And this here is a square spiral which is going out as well, and there is an image of a bird here. So Kantha work covers all of this, because Kantha work really is basically a running stitch, and it's what you do with the running stitch and how you use different thicknesses of thread that give you all of these techniques on here.